Exquisite buckle design, easy to assemble. Foldable and easy packing design with a simple fold-and-go deign. Easy to set up and take down within seconds. Sturdy holding, specially designed rubber feet underneath of the yard so the parts don't go sliding around. Mom's Lifesaver, keep baby safe in their play center when mom/dad needs to cook, clean up, go to the bathroom, etc. Safty&Durable BPA free. Give your baby the closest contact. HDPE material is more durable, easy to clean. Top reviews from the United States. I cannot rave about this gate enough. This is the most amazing baby gate/playpen I have ever used. We've had it for almost 2 months now. We used it as a playpen and I set it up by myself in about 10 minutes. It survived a move, was so easy to pack down and take with me to take to my mom's, and then form to fit her living room. It can be as big or small as you need, and is sturdy enough for baby to hang on and walk along. Not to mention it is adorable. I seriously recommend this gate to all my friends. I love that I don't even have to worry about it fitting in our new house, because it's so flexible in size and shape. Plus my baby loves the toy wall.